used
But he
car salesman.
Excuse me, he turned off the check engine light.
Point me the evidence of that, and I'll dig into that.
On page 22, it says on August 23rd at 8:53 in the morning, I said, hey, the check engine light is on. He said, I think it will be the catalytic converter. How do you know it's the catalytic converter?
The catalytic converter.
Yes.
There's a problem with the catalytic converter because she bought an $8,000 car for $4,000.
Yes, but he didn't tell me that when I first.
It's your job. Okay.
When I first asked.
No, you gotta stop. I need you to listen to me.
Okay.
What do you understand your obligations to be as a purchaser of a used car? What do you think your job is to do?
To purchase a car that's in good condition.
Okay, but whose job is it to verify the condition of the car?
Him.
No.
I asked him. If he turned off the check engine light, that means he knows.
Unless you can demonstrate that he defrauded you. If what you said to him was, I think there's a problem with the car, and he said, no, there isn't, and he disabled the check engine light so you wouldn't be able to determine that there was a problem, that is an effort by him to conceal damage. You've presented no evidence that he concealed anything. And what I am trying to explain to you is that it is the buyer's job to check the car out. It is not a used car salesman's job to say, let me verify condition and let me make sure everything's working right. I'm selling you the car at a 50% discount. Let me make sure it works to your satisfaction. I am telling you as a matter of law, not my opinion, it is not his job to do those things. It is your job to do those things, which is why I said at the very beginning, I don't quite understand your case. So didn't you have the car checked out before you gave him the money?
No, I just drove it.
So I cannot, in good conscience, just as a matter of legal principle, hold a used car salesperson liable because the buyer didn't do their homework.
Why would he turn off the check engine light? All these text messages, he knew from jump what was wrong with the car. I asked him before I even came and seen the car.
And he told you that there was a problem with the catalytic converter.
Yes, he did. He says it right here. He said it's just a catalytic converter. I have someone to fix it. And then he sent me down to get it fixed, and it didn't get fixed. And I had to pay $150 for a car to get fixed.
Okay, listen, I want you to calm down for a minute because I need you to understand this is not personal to you, and I understand this is real money.
Because I have 3 children.
I understand.
I don't have $4,800, $8,000 to pay for a car. I have children to get back and forth to school. If he would have told me that the catalytic converter was wrong with it, I wouldn't have purchased the car. He knows that.
Okay, just take a minute, take a beat. I am not at all giving short shrift to the inconvenience, to the hassle, to the expense, but there are legal principles in play that put the burden on checking out a used car on the buyer. However, let me just ask you, Mr. Zepeda, did you disable the check engine light?
No, because the way I got the car is the way I sold it.
Why did you turn, according to the plaintiff, you turned off the check engine light? Why did you do that?
I didn't say that.
Ms. Sherrills, what text message are you referring to when he says, I turned off the light?
It says, I wrote him after I got the tune-up. It says, hey, the check engine light is on. He says, I think it will be the catalytic converter. I said, what is that? You didn't say nothing was on before I got it, meaning the check engine light. It was not on.
Okay, but wait.
He says, I was waiting to reset if light changed, and I can help with something.
Mr. Zepeda, either that means you're just being a good guy, or it means that there's a defect of which you were aware that you attempted to
I was just trying to help her because I like my customers to come back and buy me more. That's the way I was trying to help her. I don't like my customers to be, angry with me or whatever.
Do you think that it helps her when she bought a car on August 22nd, 2 days later had to drop it off to a mechanic and hasn't been able to drive it? Do you think you owe her anything?
No.